I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why your pressure washing business will fail. And the last reason that I share with you is going to be surprising. Number 1, bad customer experience, missed appointments, sloppy work, and even poor behavior while you're on the customer's job site. Number 2, you don't know how to advertise. Yes, you might be pretty good at pressure washing, but did you go to school to learn how to advertise a business properly? And the third reason may be quite shocking. And number 3, your prices are way too low. Studies show that over 78% of customers that get a price that's really low turn and run the other way. Charge for your services, you deserve it.